Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Hello mga bro. Ito naman ay basic electronics lang to. Ito lang alam ko basic. So ano to? Model WM1300 new PLXL na Bluetooth. Yan. Ngayon, hindi na gumagana to. Tansya ko baterya. So ano ito? Parang tutorial na rin ito sa kung paano magpalit ng baterya. Meron akong meron akong Samsung na battery sa cellphone ito. Wala na, sira na yung cellphone. Yung battery okay pa, bago pa yan. Tapos ang ito, ganun din. Ito, mga power bank. So, pwede ko rin makuha yung mga ayos na baterya niyan. So, ito muna. Ang turok sa inyo paano pagbukas nito. Ito. Para hindi siya masira, dito tayo mag-upsa. Dito.
We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Tagal ng panahon. Palitan natin siya ng dalawang baterya. Gawin lang natin na parallel para kung anong voltahe nito. Halimbawa.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Okay, mga bro. Natuklasan ko na ito pala yung blanco ito. Display lang. Kala ko 4 ang speaker eh. Hindi pala. So, ang gagawin ko, may 2 akong tweeter. Yan. Dito ko ilagay. Yan. Yan natin kung magandang tunog. Hello mga bro. I-modify ko ito ngayon. Lalagyan ko ng isang tweeter. Dito ko ilagay. Dito sa ano na ito. Ito, ilipat ko na lang dahil nabutasan ko na. Kaya dito na lang pinaka ano yun, possible option. Okay, so
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
so ito na mga bro. Dinagdagan ko ngayon. Ito pala hindi naman to speaker eh. Piki. Kaya dinagyan ko yan ng isang tweeter. Dinagyan ko. Yan. So ayan ang ano niya. Ayan. Pinapit ko siya rito. Ayan. May battery na. Dinalawa ko yung battery. Isa lang dati yan. Dinalawa ko siya para ika nga mas matagal siya malubat. Ito. Sasara ko na.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud
ito na mga bro, pagkatapos ko ma-assemble itong Bluetooth speaker ko na nilagyan ko ng mini tweeter. Ayan, testingin na natin ngayon. Ayan.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. Saksakan natin yung USB, tingnan natin kung gumagana ngayon.
Play by USB drive.
Yan, okay na. Okay, sige, gumagana. Hindi na ituloy, baka ma-copyright tayo sa mga music copyright. Okay. So, yan na bro, gumagana na siya. Yan. Na-charge na lang yan. Tsaka,
Bluetooth mode.
in-enhance ko yan. Ginawa kong dalawang battery na parallel para mag-produce pa rin ng 3.7. Yan. So, okay na yan. Gumagana na siya. So, yan lang bro. Ang kabuuan ng video na ito sa pag-improvise ko nitong Bluetooth speaker na ginawa kong tatlo at may dalawang speaker niya na talagang ano niya, yung original, tapos nilagyan ko ng additional na tweeter. Kaya maganda ng tunog. Okay. Enjoy! Salamat sa panonood. God bless.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.